It's the holiday season, and I'm gonna show you how to deck the halls with boughs of garland. We're gonna be making this beautiful, fluffy garland made of felt. It's very strong, durable, and will last throughout the years. And most of all, it won't shed any of those pine needles. Gather 1 to 2 yards of each color and cut them up into 2x4-inch pieces. You'll also need a decorator's needle and some butcher's twine, which I found at the local Walmart. Thread the butcher's twine through the eyelet of the needle, leaving it connected to the rope. Weave the needle and string up the center of your felt rectangle 3 to 4 times. Repeat this process using whatever sequence and color you choose until you reach your desired length. And after what feels like an eternity, voila, you're done. This garland is so thick and fluffy, it will never go flat. It will hold up throughout the years. All that's left to do is tie a knot on both ends and you're done. This was a very fun and easy project to do. You can use this anywhere. It came out really great, very simple. Hello. Definitely don't have to worry about getting pine needles everywhere. It stores great for next year. A quick, fun, easy holiday project. Anyone can do this. Have a fun time making this. Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time a new video gets released.